This is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN.Network. And joining me right now is Mark Palumbo. He is the founder and CEO of CannAssist International. It's a private company. Mark, thank you for joining me today. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay. Thank you, Robert, for the invitation. I am looking forward to all things getting the company and the products out in front of the public eye. So thanks for the opportunity.
Very good. All right, so let's dig right in. What is CannAssist International?
CannAssist International is a parent company for a research-based platform currently focused on the stability and bioavailability, of the CBD molecule. Research began in 2015. A company formation as CannAssist International was in May of 2017. Methods developed by Xceptor, which is what the company was prior to it becoming CannAssist, provided significant delivery enhancement to oil-soluble, poorly absorbed molecules. This technology enhances the molecule's value as a therapeutic ingredient, allows the clinician to use significantly less of the active ingredient, reducing the cost of material and extending the shelf life of the product.
So Mark, what would you say makes the company unique and different compared to your peers out there?
Really, it's performance in testing, and in the word testing. The product has been used by physicians, medical researchers, and consumers, and the response has been unanimously positive. Third-party in vitro laboratory testing concluded that topically applied, our CiBiDInol-based products penetrated the skin 400 times more than CBD and oil. In the gut, the same was true, to 300 times better than the amount absorbed from straight CBD and oil. Skin irritation studies reveal no topical irritation. Batch-to-batch consistency and repeatability have emerged as a constant. OTC stability testing revealed that our complex CBD remains intact much longer than CBD and oil.
Got it. So then can you describe the company's business model? Are you marketing a line of your branded CBD products or licensing your tech to other companies?
Sure, Robert. We're doing both, actually. What we did a year ago was and it was about this time last year, we initiated a contractual obligation with a distributor in the cosmetic industry. They're a national distributor from east to west with the number of sales reps covering the territories. And we did it so that they could sell CiBiDInol, our technology, into their audience. Now, in that relatively short period of time, because product development usually takes between 18 and 24 months before it hits market, they've already gotten us 5 new corporate customers. We also provide custom work because our technology works not only on CBD, but on other oil solubles as well. And they're also a fairly large corporate entity. Our brand is getting set to launch in June. Early test markets have shown us that most importantly, we're getting repeat buying. One of the biggest complaints we've seen out there when we go to the dispensaries and the collectives is that people aren't buying it again because it doesn't work. Our designs include making Xceptor the thing that's asked for, not CBD, Xceptor. I need some Xceptor cream. So that's how we're kind of designing our marketing program to achieve that end.
Gotcha. All right. So then what would you say is the size of the company's total addressable market then?
The projections vary, and they've kind of waved and flagged. They've always seemed to be underestimated. And the leap now is a very big one. And I'm quoting Forbes, I think, is close to a $30 billion market by sometime in 2023. We use Brightside's data, which is $23 billion sometime that same year. It's hard to say if we're on track for that or not. I'm sure that every couple of months or so, we'll see modifications to those numbers as more numbers emerge in this market as it continues to grow.
For sure. Well, it's a big pie right now. So
yeah, it's a very big pie.
23 billion or less. That's still pretty big pie. So
yeah, our estimates were based on very small captures of the market, and we were still into the 9 figures.
Fair enough.
by doing that.
So Mark, I also have to ask, from my understanding, and you also alluded to this a little bit earlier in the interview, that the company is just beginning to launch. So what is your strategy here?
In very short order, the company will launch its Xceptor brand of CBD products. The initial launch will highlight our NDC-coated topical pain cream, soon to be followed by capsules and sublingual drops, pet products, and new product application vectors, such as suppositories or nasal sprays or patches, whatever the clinical community is most interested in. CannAssist's initial launch strategy is built upon a public relations format where we'll utilize Hollywood celebrities and professional athletes. And all of the support is being built around that style of launch, including a website that will have in it a custom one-stop shop portal, new information and instructions, blogger and influence ads, social media, trade show, and print advertising.
All right, Mark, what is your background? I mean, how'd you come into all this?
I studied biological science, earning a degree in that from the University of Rhode Island. My work experience includes employment in the pharmaceutical and personal care industries. My entrepreneurial endeavors began in 1999 in the personal care industry. I bring a fair amount of experience across the pharmaceutical and personal care marketplaces.
So Mark, from what you can tell us, what are your goals now for the rest of 2020?
My primary goals for the rest of 2020 are really surround getting everything right. We're going to launch this product. We're going to be fielding traffic on the internet. We have to make sure that our sales are very well supported, that our efficiencies continue to grow in the manufacturing, in the testing, and in the marketing and purchasing fulfillment categories. All things that we're going to learn as we gain real data while we're out there. We also expect to add the other two product categories that I described earlier, which is the sublingual drop and the capsules. And we might be able to get in another one before the end of the year. But primarily, it's about making sure that everything is right and efficient and poised to grow.
And Mark, where can my audience go and find more information about CannAssist?
Okay. They can write me directly at mark@xceptorcbd.com. There'll be another email soon, mark@xceptorlabs.com. And the website address right now is www.xceptorcbd.com. We'll soon be online with the brand website, which will be www.xceptol.com.
Perfect. All right. With that, Mark, thank you so much for everything. I really appreciate you taking the time to do the interview with us. Good luck. Stay safe. And I look forward to our next update.
Thank you, Robert. So do I.